Hi everybody, it's me, Grammy Vulture. Tonight's dinner, quick and easy. Pouches. Onions in the pouchies. Chicken in the pouchies. Carrots in the pouchies. Potato in the pouchies. Minced garlic in the pouchies. Frozen peas in the pouchies. For the seasonings, I add ground mixed vegetables, paprika, dried mustard, turmeric, a pinch of sage, a pinch of thyme, several squirts of this butter substitute. You can dab yours with butter if you like. I save the salt and peppering for when they're done. The best part, the massage. You just want to mix stuff. Alright, this will probably be loud. You gotta fold it. Roll the edge, not once, but twice. All the way down. Flip it on the top, shake it down, and twist, 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 twist. Turn it around. Flip it up on the top, shake it down, and twist, twist, twist. Ready for baking. Yep, it's my new wave. I'm having pouches for dinner. What are you having? It's been 45 minutes. They look like this. Scissors. And cut for it on my plate. Gotta go. See you later. Love you. Bye.